Boya production.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. So I need to start servicing my new car. Now the Golf's fucked off. Right, so what I'm going to do today is just a spark plug change. No more spark plugs here. All you'll need is a flathead and a 16mm socket and a magnet. A magnet to pull them out. Yeah. So first thing, oh, and a banding strap just in case your thingies don't come out. Right here. Let's get started, Sadiq. So obviously I've got this induction kit and half the thing's just been cut off. So if yours is not like this, then it might not be like this. Come on this side, Sadiq, show me. You'll have your pipes here. Right, all you do here is just push down. Ah, fucking hell, you dickhead. Push down, it'll come out. Alright, get your pipe out. Push down, it'll come out. Right. Then literally just fucking yank it. There we go. It's just attached, but oh fucking hell, that one's stuck on there. Bastard. Ah, it's covered in fucking grease. You know what? I'll be alright. As long as one's on. Ah. Right, flathead, and you want to take your ignition coils out, right? So you just want to get in there. Actually, get on that side so you can do that. Right here, and then pull up and see how it slid out. Then just leave it there. Don't try and take one out. You have to take them all out at the same time because they're all connected. Same with this one. Lift up, see that one's out, and then I'll do this one here. Get that side out. Yeah, they're all out. They're all out. They're all fucking out. So you can't take them out one by one. You gotta loosen all four and then push. Right, now that's out. Now, see, this is where you need your banding strap. Right. I've seen people using trim removal tools and screwdrivers here. Don't do that. Literally, honestly. Look, see this, Sadiq? Go around here. There. And just fucking keep doing that. It'll fucking eventually come out. Oh, you bastard. That's out. Number one. Same again. Get him in there. And you fucking cock. Come on, you fucking monster. There she go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, but this one, these ones are fucking open ones. Or to feed it in. Behind it. Come on, slide it through, baby. There she go. Think that's maybe. Happy out, huh? Beautiful. Same again with this one. Always do this side and not that side because try pulling that, it might get brittle and then you just snap and then your fucking connector's not gonna go on it. Always do the fucking other side. There she go. Beautiful, mate. They're all beautiful. Right, now banding strap goes away. 16mm with the extension, and the spark plugs are just in there. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Fucking hell, that wasn't even tight though. Bro, these aren't even fucking tight. Beautiful. How's it going, Sleep? How's the wife and kids? I think these are fucking loose. No man. Where did I put my back? There's a jet. Oh, beautiful. Fucking hell. Shot on there. Anything metal there? Oh, no, fucking panel. Oh dear, have a look at them, Sleep. Yeah, close up. Fucking shot on there. These have done these. I just got some NGK ones. They come in a service kit. I'll put the service kit in the link description below. Do whatever you want, mate. I just got NGK ones. For the Jake. For the bit. Oh, actually, should I open them all up? Fucking hell. This car has got nothing to lean on. Fucking Golf was flat. This one, not. There we look. There we look. NGKR. NGK. Whoa, this one comes with an R, bro. Sick on that. Yeah, same then, bro. Yes. Right. Let me open all these open and let me get a thumbnail and then we'll be back. Alright, have a look at them. Yeah, zoom in, see. Yeah, there you go. Yes. All you want to do with these is get them there, pop them in. Pop. 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 And then, this is the hard part now. You don't want to cross thread these. Just use your thingy, catch it, and just slowly. Right? Because if you cross thread these, hey, see, if you cross thread these, bro, when you've done it, you can't fix this at home, bro. Then you'll have to go to a garage, and that garage, bro, when he sees you and sees what you've done, he just sees pound signs, bro. So be very careful with this one. Yeah, and to check it, yeah, that's on that. Beautiful. Same with the next one. Carefully catch it. Go left first, catch it, then start turning right. I think. Beautiful. Same again. Catch it, turn left, then right. Beautiful. I think these are going in really easily. I think them ones, they were fucking in there for ages. That's why it was fucking stiff. Last one, please. Please. Yeah, there she go. These are going in easy now. Let's tighten them up. Till you can't do it no more with your hand. Then You don't need a fucking torque setting for this here, but you'll know when it's tight. Alright, just a bit. Right, so there, I'm not putting any pressure, but that there, it doesn't want to go anymore. See this one here? I'll do it with this one. This one's on, I think. This one here, look. Tighten it, tighten it. I'm not putting any pressure. Then, about there we go. Now it's stopped, right? So all these are pretty much like on the bare minimum of tight. See this? Not much pressure, and then there we go. I'm not doing nothing here. Right, pretty much when you get to here, just that, bro. Just a little turn. Just that. These don't need to be solid because just that. Just that. Yeah, that's it, bro. Done. That's it. Not too tight because, yeah, bro. If you try over tightening these, you're done. Then put these back in. Push that there. Push it down. Clicks in. Let's see if you can hear it, Sadiq, when it clicks on, when it catches it. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, get up here, you bastard. Ooh, don't fucking fall, bitch. That's on. That's on. There. Then feed these back in. Don't push them all in at the same time. Make sure they're all in. Then there. Click, click, fucking click. Right. Then give it a push. That's on. That's on. That's on. Beautiful, mate. Right now. That, and then the how's that gonna go on there? It's not, is it? It's on there. See how it looks? Only a fucking cover anyway, gives a fuck. Yeah, it looks fucked. Crazy bastard. See what I did? I just put copper grease in there, so then when it comes on, it comes off. But yeah, this one is fucked up. So if you got this problem, literally you get that. Right, on this side, it's got a little groove there where it catches on there. Put that in there. Put it in. And then you'll get where it's stubborn. Right. See, you're just covered in grease. Just push it in like that with the fucking flathead. Just like that. Can you see that, Sadiq? In there. Sides in. Move around. Get him in. All side. Yeah, easy. Ooh, PCV valve delete coming soon, bro. I'll need this shit. I'm gonna fucking delete that. Oh, I can get a high pressure fucking fuel gauge as well. You know how much they cost, bro? £300. Fucking shit. That'd be alright, huh? I ain't got no warnings yet for that. Beautiful, mate. Now you might be. Oh, I already explained that, innit? Come on this side, Sadiq. Literally, it's just like that, bro. Look, see that? Put it in, open it up, it'll just come out. Feed that back in. That's on. Beautiful, mate. That's it. Oh wait, let me just start the. Okay, let me wash my hands and then let me go start the car. See if it works. Beautiful. That's it. Alright, we only got that fucking bloody side light, fucking piece of shit. Other than that, beautiful, mate. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching. I think I've ordered new side light bulbs, and I've also ordered. See, I've got the oil kit, but I don't think I'll do it. Oil change today. It's getting fucking. It's cold, and it's getting dark and stuff. So next video it'll either be a side light change or oil change, one of them. We're making progress. First I want to service all the car, make it, mate, it's still fucking, it's running perfectly fine, but make sure everything's up to scratch, and then I'll start modding it, bro. Sicko now, but I needed this mod, the fucking lights. That was like the first mod. It gets dark in it. So I shall see you in the next one.